Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can fix common audio issues in Discord if you can't hear anything on your Discord application or the web browser. If you can't hear anyone in Discord, we must troubleshoot the problem. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to communicate. So first, you need to exit your current Discord call or server voice channel. These steps apply to both web browser and the app. If you're using the application, you also need to check your computer's sound settings. So right-click on the sound or the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of the computer screen, then select Open Sound Settings, and ensure that your output device is correctly set to speakers or headphones or whatever you're using, and make sure that the volume is not set to 0 and is not muted. Click the speaker icon to unmute if necessary. You can also scroll down and test your microphone if your microphone isn't working. And you can also go to the advanced sound options, that is indicating app volume and device preferences option. And you can use this slider to ensure that the volume is active and it's not muted. Now return to Discord and check if the problem is resolved. If not, you need to continue to the next step, which is adjusting the volume mixer settings. So right-click on the speaker icon again and select Open Volume Mixer. Then go to the application section, and if you're using this, you'll see a Discord icon appear along with the slider below that, and ensure that its volume is not set to 0 and is not muted. If you see multiple Discord entries, adjust both. Now close the mixer and return to Discord and see if the problem is resolved. If not, you can go to Discord, click on this user settings. From the menu that appears, you need to scroll down to voice and video option, which is in the section of experience. From here, make sure that the correct microphone and speaker is selected, and also test these sliders. And also ensure your speaker volume is turned off, ideally to 100% even if it was just a reset. Exit the settings and return to your call or server, and hopefully you can now hear others. If you still can't hear anyone, right-click on the individual people that you can't hear and make sure that they are not muted. Unmute them if necessary. And also adjust their individual user volume. If it's at 0, increase it to 100%. If the issue still persists, ensure that the problem isn't on the other person's end. Confirm that their microphone is working and test with other people to rule out an issue with a specific individual. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.